Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your Microsoft OneDrive account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Make sure you have a stable internet connection on your phone, tablet, or computer. Open your preferred web browser such as Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. In the address bar, type OneDrive, live.com and press enter. Wait for the Microsoft OneDrive page to fully load. Look for the Sign In button and click or tap it. On the Microsoft Sign In screen, click in the email, phone, or Skype field. Type the Microsoft account email you use for OneDrive. If you do not have an email, you can type your phone number linked to your Microsoft account. Click Next to continue. In the password field, type your Microsoft account password carefully. Click Sign In to access your account. If you see the Stay Signed In message, choose Yes only on a personal device you trust. If you are on a shared or public device, choose No to protect your account. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the recovery steps. If Microsoft asks for verification, check your email or phone for the security code. Enter the security code exactly as received and click Verify. If you use the Microsoft Authenticator app, approve the sign-in request on your phone. After successful login, wait for your OneDrive files page to open. You will now see your folders and files in the main OneDrive screen. To confirm you are in the correct account, click your profile icon at the top right. Check the displayed email address to make sure it matches your Microsoft account. If you are signed into the wrong account, click Sign Out from the profile menu. Return to the sign-in page and repeat the steps with the correct email and password. For faster access next time, you can bookmark the OneDrive sign-in page in your browser. If you want to use the OneDrive desktop app, install it from Microsoft's official website. Open the OneDrive app and sign in with the same Microsoft account details. Choose or confirm the OneDrive folder location when the setup wizard asks. Wait for syncing to complete so your files appear on your device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.